Hi, my name is Christina Line from Aroma Line Training, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how you can use essential oils safely and effectively in your bath. Fantastic way of applying essential oils. So the first easiest option is to just have a small amount of milk, and to that milk you just add a maximum of 6 drops. Okay, so I'm just going to do that. And then you can just either obviously swish it round or mix it together, blend it together, which I will just do. And then, as we know, the reason we've used milk is because milk is a fat. So as we know, oil and water don't mix. So we need to put the essential oil into a fat in order to disperse the water throughout the whole of the bath. So with this, then all you need to do is run your bath. When you're ready to get in, then you put this in, swish it round, and off you go. Don't add this while you're running your bath because the essential oils would have already evaporated by the time you get in, because heat evaporates the essential oils much quicker. There is another option, so you can make a product which you could use over sort of a period of a few baths. So I'm going to make a 100 ml product, and this is using something called solubiliser. Solubiliser works as your essential oil dispersant. It dissolves, the essential oils dissolve in the solubiliser, and then the solubiliser dissolves in the water. So I'm just going to show you how to do this. You need to add, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to add 5 ml of your solubiliser, 5 ml into a little beaker. This solubiliser is also known as polysorbate 20, and it's derived from sugarcane, so it's a natural product. Into the solubiliser, I'm then going to add 25 drops of my essential oil or essential oil blend. Okay. And the essential oil blend I'm actually using today is something called Ultimate Relax, because I want to be nice and relaxed in the bath. Okay, so then I am going to very carefully just blend those together. Okay. And what you want, your aim is to not see any oil sitting on the surface of that solubiliser. It will stay this colour, the solubiliser colour, unless you've got something like tangerine, which is quite an orangey colour, or German chamomile, which is blue, then it will go those colours. But that's all blended in nicely. Okay, then I'm going to actually transfer, because I'm making 100 ml and this only goes up to 50. I'm going to transfer that into a glass beaker. Make sure all of that is out. Then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add some purified water. Purified water you can get from beauty suppliers. Okay, you could, if you didn't have any of that at home, you could use some bottled water, but make sure it's chilled. So this is cool, because that is the best, seems to be the best way of applying, adding it to the solubiliser product. So there we go. So I'm now going to top this up to 100 ml. Just gently. Let me show you. So I've now added that, and just very carefully you can see the solubiliser product is gradually dissolving into that water. So you just need to stir it very gently. This is not vigorous stirring, because you need to look after this. Just very gradually it will all dissolve. It's gradually going. It smells amazing. The Ultimate Relax blend is a really lovely blend of essential oils. Okay, so that now, as you can see, has basically just about all dissolved in the water. And what that means is those essential oils are now dissolved throughout the water product, rather than sitting on the surface. So I'm now just going to add this to my bottle. And there we have, so there we have a product that you can now add to your bath. So my recommendation would be 20 mils of this per bath. Okay, so you have about 5 baths worth there. So if you enjoyed that, it would be really fantastic if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel, Christina Line. Also, you can get more information off my website, www.aromaline.com. And then also you can I'm now doing some bite-sized learning in aromatherapy about different essential oils, essential oil blends, to help you use essential oils safely and effectively at home. So you can go to my Aromaline shop on eBay for that, and it's all there. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. There's lots more for you to have a look at, and I'll see you again on my next one. Thank you. Bye.